I'll be very vulnerable here because I know if someone is watching this might be going through the same thing, and that's my whole purpose of saying it because nobody likes to talk about their weakness. I was going through a lot of anxiety at the starting of the tournament, and it was a lot, you know. Before few games, also, I used to call my mom and cry the entire time, just let it all out because when you're going through anxiety, you just feel numb. You don't know what to do. You're trying to be yourself. And also in this time, my mom, my dad, they supported me a lot. And also there was Arundhati, who I think almost every day I've cried in front. Almost every day I've cried in front of her. I think later I was joking. I said, "You don't come in front of me, I'll start crying." But she checked on me every single day. Um, and yeah, and there was Priti who helped me. She also knew what I was going through. Few of the net sessions, she was just standing there. Even yesterday, she came. She just stood there, just because didn't say much, but she just knows that her presence is important for me. There's been Radha, who's always been there, taking care of me. Like I'm so blessed to have friends I can call family. That I didn't have to go through it alone, and it's okay to ask for help. And that's what happened. And my mom also, she's as emotional as I am, but she went through a lot. My family went through a lot, but everyone stood by me and believed in me when I didn't, when I couldn't. And the other thing, then what happened, it started with the anxiety thing. Then I was dropped from the team. That really hit me. And when you're dropped, you have a lot of doubts because I always want to contribute to the team. But that day, I couldn't do much sitting out. And then when you come back in, it's a lot more pressure with everything that was happening in the past month. But sometimes all you need to do is just hang in there and think positive.